I'm going to share with you my favorite editing tip for creating social media clips and making it all go really fast, and that's using the Create New Edit tool. So, a lot of you might have heard me already talk about it because I am obsessed with this tip, but let me show you exactly how I do it. When I'm creating a new episode, what I'm always doing is that in the back of my mind, I'm thinking about the clips that I'll create. So, here in this editor, I have my full episode. But as I'm going through the transcript, I'm thinking, okay, what would perform well on social media? So let's say, okay, over here, I think that this would be a great clip for social media. I'll highlight it, and then I can press Create New Edit right here. There's also the Create New Edit button over here, but I'm just going to click on this one. And you'll see in this sidebar navigation that it's going to create that new edit for me, and it's going to come up right over here on the side. And you can see that there's a purple dot, which means that it's new. So I know that this is a explanation about cover art. So I'm going to write tip for cover art just to keep me organized. Save. And I just am going to keep doing that. Okay, wow, this is a really great clip too. I'm just going to press Create New Edit, and again, have that show up on the side. So as I'm going through my transcript, I'm just doing that over and over again with all of my favorite clips. And then once I'm done doing my full episode, I can just go here and click into that and go through all of my clips. So in one sweep, I've created my full episode, and then I can just start clipping for social media. So change this to 9:16, do whatever I want to do to create that social media clip that I need, and it's all really done in one go. So this trick has truly saved me hours of editing time. I really recommend that you try it out, that Create New Edit button in your editor, and try it in the new navigation so that you can easily flip through each of those clips. Try it out. I can't wait to see what you create, and I can't wait to see how fast you create it.